Arrive AI still relatively new and cruising at record lows. However, for the bullish, patience persists due to partnerships that could help lift them out of this slump towards 2026. Arrive AI has selected Synoptech as its strategic IT partner for cybersecurity, enterprise-grade IT, and 24/7 AI-enabled managed services operations under a 3-year agreement. This partnership follows a $40 million funding injection from Streeterville Capital, which will help Arrive AI launch its patented autonomous delivery platform later this summer and expand its staff. Arrive AI chose Synoptech for its strategic approach, expertise, and strong partnerships with Microsoft and ServiceNow. In the run-up to global expansion, Arrive AI has begun eyeing a foothold in India since it partnered with Sky Air, an Indian drone delivery company, to develop and deploy Arrive Points, secure delivery points designed for drones and autonomous vehicles across India. The partnership aims to initially deploy 20 to 40 Arrive Points in India in 2025, with plans to expand to 500 units in the coming years. Sky Air currently makes around 6,000 deliveries a day in Gurugram, India, and plans to scale its operations to other areas, including New Delhi and Bengaluru. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore.